Do you really think you need a huge business or a high-paying executive job to become a millionaire? Then let me tell you the story of Ronald Reed. He spent most of his life working at a gas station. After retiring, he even worked as a janitor, cleaning homes to earn extra money. Nothing about his life looked extraordinary. But when Ronald Reed passed away in 2014, he stunned everyone. He left behind an $8 million fortune. No lottery ticket, no inheritance, no secret business empire. And he wasn't the only one. A quiet secretary named Anne Schreiber built an even larger fortune, leaving behind $22 million despite earning an ordinary salary for most of her career. So, what was their secret? It wasn't luck, it wasn't a hidden treasure, and it definitely wasn't some get-rich-quick trick. Their wealth came from one powerful habit, a proven financial system that most schools never teach and most people never learn. In this video, you'll discover exactly how it worked, why it works, and how, even if you're earning a modest income, you can use the same principles to build real wealth over time. Once you understand this formula, you'll never look at money the same way again.